Hello everyone, my name is Audrey,
And my name is Kimberly.
and today we will be talking to you guys about the elements of Toulmin's model of argumentation. We will then provide you guys with a mnemonic device that will help you further understand and remember the model. But first, we are going to start by giving a little background info of Stephen Toulmin. Toulmin was educated at Cambridge in England. He was interested in bridging the gap between logic and rhetoric, which was first created by Aramis and Descartes. He believed the philosophy of reasoning had become so isolated that it was useless, so he came up with a model used for theoretical and practical arguments. This is known as Toulmin's model of argumentation.
Toulmin's model consists of 6 elements. The 6 elements are data, warrant, claim, backing, qualifiers, and the rebuttal. But first, I'm going to talk about the 3 major components of an argument. The first major component is data. Data consists of facts or other information on which the argument is based. Data also answers the question, what do we have to go on? The next major component is warrant. The warrant authorizes the movement from the grounds to the claim. Alongside, the warrant answers the question, how do you justify the move from these grounds to that claim? Which leads us to our third and final major component, which is claim. The claim is the conclusion of an argument that a person is seeking to justify, and it answers the question, where are we going? The 3 additional elements consist of backing, qualifiers, and the rebuttal. The backing is additional support for the warrant. The qualifiers represent the level of certainty, and finally, the rebuttal is a specific circumstance when the warrant does not justify the claim.
So to get a better grasp of these elements, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys an example of each element. Since data can be known as evidence, and remember, with no evidence, there's no argument. So this element is extremely, extremely necessary. An example would be the fact that my brother has a history of lying. A claim, or what can be known as a conclusion, could be that he probably lied about finishing his homework. A warrant, which again links the claim to the data, could be that people with a history of lying are seen to be more guilty of lying as opposed to people who don't have a history of lying. An example of backing, which is the warrant helper, could be that most kids lie about getting their homework done. An example of a rebuttal, which is the condition under which the claim is false, would be unless he shows that he actually has done his homework, he didn't do his homework. And lastly, an example of a qualifier would be that he probably lied, emphasis on the probably. So to help you guys understand and remember the Toulmin model, we came up with a name mnemonic device. Our name mnemonic device is Donna will constantly be Queen Rudder.
So the D in our name mnemonic device stands for data, the W stands for warrant, the C for claim, the B for backing, the Q for qualifier, and the R for rebuttal. So again, that's Donna will constantly be Queen Rudder. This is an effective mnemonic device because it serves as a short and simple way to remember a complex model.
Toulmin created this system of analysis and argument based on probable premises. Argumentation gives us a way of making a case for ourselves and defending and reaching our decisions. So to sum up the elements of Toulmin's model one more time, the major components consist of data, warrant, claim, and the additional components consist of backing, qualifiers, and rebuttal. So, to remember this on your test, just think of Donna will constantly be Queen Rudder. Thank you guys for watching.
We hope that our name mnemonic device helps you guys remember the Stephen Toulmin's model of argumentation.